Here, this is a very interesting weather. I can feel, and of course, this is some days later, sometimes later, before evening. So that's why I'm feeling very excited. And we have a guest here. You can see, he is my junior, and so now we will introduce about him, and we will talk about some English Olympiad. So let us introduce with him first. What's your name?
My name is Muntasir Hamim.
Okay, so which grade are you in?
I'm in grade 4.
Okay, so what's your age?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, very good. So, so you can see you are in a rooftop. So, how are you feeling? Because,
My feeling is good because it is my first rooftop in this home, so I am really excited.
okay, beside of this here, so very cold weather and it's very windy weather, cold winds, and very good. The sky looks very good. I think you can see. By the way, uh, so do you know some days later we will participate in English Olympiad theater round? So how is your feeling about that?
My feeling is very good because we will get a medal. It is a very expensive medal, so my spring is good.
Okay, so he talked about this, and if I talk from my side, I'm also feeling very excited because we will get a very huge opportunity. Of course, you have to say because some days ago we passed from selection round, and we will go, and you can say this is a golden opportunity. That's why we all are feeling very excited. So and also beside of this there will be season 5 of English Olympiad. Won't you participate there?
Yes, I participate there.
Okay, so I will also do. So you saw our conversation, and I think you feel our environment. Anyway, that's not a big deal. And so you already listened about our introductions. So I think you all enjoyed this very much. So anyway, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.